RevRecover transforms medical billing by using agentic AI to autonomously navigate provider portals and file research-backed appeals, recovering millions in lost revenue while saving thousands of human hours. RevRecover is an AI-powered automation suite that streamlines medical insurance appeals by leveraging the TinyFish agentic web framework to autonomously research and recover denied claims. Here we can see how TinyFish is visiting clinicaltrials.gov website. While traditional automation just fills forms, RevRecover uses TinyFish to perform real-world clinical research. When a claim is denied for lack of medical necessity, TinyFish autonomously navigates to clinicaltrials.gov. It doesn't just search for keywords, it reads through clinical study protocols to identify the gold standard. It finds the exact National Clinical Trial NCT ID related to the patient's specific treatment, extracts scientific evidence. It analyzes the primary outcome measures of the study to find the hard data proving the treatment success rate, construct a winning argument. It then carries that research back to the insurance portal, typing a professional, evidence based appeal that cites the study directly. Tinyfish isn't just a bot, it's a digital clinical researcher that turns a denied claim into a recovered one using the same data human doctors would use. Here we can see how Tinyfish is visiting the insurance portal and logging using given credentials, writing the appeal request and submitting it successfully. Once the appeal gets submitted successfully, you will hear the completion notification from Integrated 11 Labs tool.
Appeal successfully filed for Eleanor Vance. $12,450 is now under active recovery review by Tinyfish.
Now we can see the traces on Agent Ops and logs on Axiom, which are integrated with our RevRecover web app. Here are the API requests to 11 Labs API. Finally, on our web app, we can see the revenue recovered and human hours saved are increased. That's the power of Tinyfish integration.